Hi, everybody. Wait, hold on. Ah, okay. That's better. Hi, everybody. It's me, Mrs. Pignataro, the fourth and fifth grade health teacher, and I have another read aloud for us today. This one's called There's No Place Like Space, all about our solar system. Come on this journey with me. I'm the Cat in the Hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars, and the sun. There is no place like space. I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Yeah, I don't think your mom will mind if you go to space for a little while. Jump in, here we go. We will fly up so high. We can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars, and in case you have missed them, you'll soon see the planets in our solar system. There are 8 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name everyone. Mercury is closest to the sun's burning light. It's hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. On Venus, the weather is always the same, hot, dry, and windy with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here's a clue. It is my home and home to thing 1 and thing 2. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It's the third from the sun. It's our planet. What's our planet's name? Earth! It spins all the time, round and round like a top. It turns once every day, and it never will stop. The question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a tizzy. If the Earth's always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way, 'cause we're spinning right with it, right now, every day. That's pretty cool. Next here is Mars. It's the color of rust. We sneeze here because it's covered in dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it's bigger than all other planets combined. Wow, so you put them all together and Jupiter is still bigger. Pretty cool. Saturn has rings. It's so light, who would think it could float in an ocean and not even sink? So it's big, but it's light. A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of those objects around it. There are colors in space. I will show some to you. Neptune, planet 8, is a beautiful blue. We have seen all the planets. Now here is a trick to remember their names and remember them quick. Say Mallory, Valerie, Emily, Mickles just saved up 999 nickels. The first letter of each of these words is the same as the first letter in each of the planets you name. I'm never going to remember that. Are you going to remember that? Now here is a game you can play in the skies. Connect all the stars you can see with your eyes. It's star dot to dot. Use your imaginations and you'll see the big pictures we call constellations. A dog, the great bear, and Leo the lion, Taurus the bull, and a hunter, Orion. Pretty cool. I love space. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really a big glowing ball, and it's hot. And there's one star by far that's our favorite one. We can't live without it. That star's called... Oh, come on. You know it. What's it called? The sun. From the Earth, it looks big. There's one reason why. It's the closest to Earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes would get hurt, and that would not be fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute 1,000,000 of our Earths could not all fit right in it. 1,000,000 Earths could fit inside the sun. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon, but first we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror reflects the sun's light. So the moon doesn't shine. It's like reflecting the sun. Astronauts flew to the moon to explore a place no one had ever been to before. They walked on the moon and then drove all over in a special moon car called a lunar rover. An astronomer studies what's up in the sky. Things to want to be one. In fact, so do I. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I love science. The universe is a mysterious place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go fly back to the stars and take things 1 and 2 to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something new. How cool would it be if you were the one to discover the next planet or star in our solar system? Until I see you guys again, I love you, I miss you. Bye for now.